the QGIS interface, and let's see some basic operations using the toolbars. For instance, if I want to have information about one of those points, push the info here and push the point and get its name, what I'm going to sample there, and more. If I want to measure distance, I can just measure distance. If I want this toolbar to be shown complete, I drag it here. You can see there are many operations that can be done here. Here, you can change the scale. Let's say now it's 1 to 1 million. And if I change it to 5 million, I get a bigger map. So there are many things that can be operated faster using this interface. And that's what we'll do along the course.